Experiencing a frozen screen, audio loss, or constant rebooting in your Buick Encore's infotainment system can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches or hardware malfunctions. Common problems include frozen screens, lack of hands-free functionality, Apple CarPlay malfunctions, radio problems, and navigation failures. First, determine if the problem is software or hardware related. Let's look at the infotainment system controls. Understanding your system's interface is the first step in effective troubleshooting. Begin troubleshooting by performing a system reboot. For systems with Google built in, put the vehicle in park and press and hold the end call button on the steering wheel for about 20 seconds until the center display turns off and reboots. For systems without Google built in, turn the vehicle off, wait a few minutes, and then turn it back on. If a simple reboot doesn't resolve the issue, check for available software updates. General Motors regularly releases updates to address infotainment problems. Software updates can resolve connectivity issues with Apple CarPlay and other smartphone integration features. If a simple reboot doesn't work, consider resetting the system to factory settings via the Settings menu. Note that this will erase all personalized settings, so use this as a last resort for software-related issues. These initial troubleshooting steps can resolve many common infotainment issues. Start with a system reboot, check for software updates, and consider a factory reset if needed. If problems persist, professional diagnosis may be required. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced steps are needed. Start by checking Bluetooth and USB connections thoroughly. Next, inspect the vehicle's fuse box for any blown fuses related to the infotainment system or radio. Look for darkened or broken filaments inside the fuses. As a last resort, disconnect the negative battery cable for a few minutes to reset the entire system. This should only be done when other methods have failed. If problems persist after these steps, it's time to seek professional help from a certified Buick service center. Mechanics can diagnose complex hardware and software issues. Common causes of infotainment problems include software glitches, wiring issues, and faulty display modules. Understanding these helps mechanics diagnose issues more effectively. Contact Buick customer service at 1-800-462-8782 for guidance and support. General Motors regularly releases software updates to address infotainment issues, so ensure your vehicle has the latest updates installed.